2020 Dodge Durango 5.7 HEMI. Another one. What we got done on it for you guys. Got factory converters there and there. Then we left the factory mid muffler right there. Huge sucker. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes all the way. And we deleted the rear resonators. Those ones right there. And replaced them with 2 5-inch tips, rolled. It just fits it perfectly. It comes out really beautiful, really clean. Right there, right there. And you put pipe in their place, right there in the back. As you guys can see, it came out really beautiful, really clean. Our T57 HEMI. HEMI, babe. Let you guys hear it in a second. That's not bad at all. Wow. That's just with the rear delete with 5-inch tips. Any sound decibels? Again? Again? 114. Wow. Go ahead and bring him back. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. There you go. Dodge Durango. You like it? All right. Go.